Oh my gosh. Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. IOANISJO here. So today we have something special. We're gonna be decorating our beautiful empty square right here. As you can see, unfortunately our LED is kind of broken. Unfortunately the blue color is missing from those four, so will not display correctly or just match with the other colors, so we will have the same in the corner, but it's not visible. That's visible, it's pissing off, but I really don't know if and when I will fix it. But anyway, let's get. And before we get to the video, just to announce before this, because this video will be uploaded within this week, I'll try a list. On the 9th until the 13th of October, we will have 15% of everything in our merch store. The link is in the description. Feel free to check it out. If you don't want to buy something, if you want to check it out and tell me your opinion, because all the designs are made by me. I spend a lot of time on the shop, so your feedback will be beautiful. Thanks so much. So let's run into the video. Just the decoration or the background of the stream and the videos is very important. I spent like about 50 pounds, about 60 bucks or 57 bucks or dollars from Wish to get something cheap and cool, because I don't want to spend a lot of money on the decoration, as we can spend less and make something beautiful. It's all about creativity. Oopsie. And it's not all about dropping your stuff. So we got some Fortnite stickers. We have from Comic Con that Harry Potter's. I think we saw that on Comic Con vlog as well. Got a Comic Con one. So about that, I'm not gonna put it close to the heat because we have our heater right below our LED. Again, it was not my option or my choice, but well, I mean, we can put that somewhere like...
One eternity later.
Alright, I think I'll just put it right here. Made some space with Hades, because obviously I don't wanna hide the pillow. So I don't know where. Maybe something like that. We're gonna leave it like that for now, because we're gonna have some posters. Obviously we're not gonna damage the wall, because this is not my flat, I'm just renting it. What else we have here? We have quite a few stuff. So we have something from Star Wars. I still remember when I was like 13 or 12 years old on PlayStation, I was playing Star Wars. Holy crap. That's not gonna stay like that though. I mean, I need something, like I need a book to press. Alright, we're gonna leave them pressed on the floor, so we're gonna use them probably last. I mean, there's so much in the way. Then we have the big thing over here, so let's see what we're gonna do with that. Okay. I know what is that, but holy moly. That's quite big. It's exactly on the size we wanted though, so I'm not gonna complain. We got a better quality because you had two choices. Oh my god, that's so professionally wrapped. Bro, this is huge. Oh my gosh. Look at that, that's about Minecraft. That was like 13 pounds. Bro, no fit, no. No, bro. Oh my god, that's so fucking cool. But that's my fault. I'm a freaking donkey. because the way I measured it on the wall was on the wrong way. I didn't notice that the poster is gonna be like that and not like that. Because if it was like that, it would obviously fit, but like that is not gonna fit. Okay, so let's get that done. Doesn't look it's gonna stay, but we're gonna try. So we're gonna start from here in the corner. Alright, first piece added. So second one, we're gonna have the Fortnite one right here. No, that's where will be the Minecraft, the big one, right? Stay there. Alright, looks like we're not gonna succeed with that. I might leave it during the night. I should have done it earlier. I didn't expect it to be so strong and not that big. So we're gonna work with the rest and we're gonna see about that. This tape is so shit, mate. Like, honestly. Looks quite nice. Looks beautiful actually. So get what else we have here? We got your Empire needs you, and then we have a beautiful one. It's just beautiful. Alright, so I don't know about the sound, if it was okay, because I had it on the desk, maybe you could hear some sounds, hopefully it was okay. So we fit it right here very well. We have the Fortnite 2 of the Star Wars, and then we have another 2 posters of Star Wars. We're gonna fit it on the door right now. Alright, so today is day 2. Over the night I had a problem, so when I came back from work today I found those 2 posters on the floor because they were like, so I left them like during the day, lay on the ground with some like heavy items or just things on them. The big poster stayed over the night with some heavy stuff on books basically. So I can't say it's totally okay, but I don't think I think that would be the perfect it can be. I mean, it can get better. So anyway, let's get into that and add nearly the final piece. So here's our poster. What we're gonna do, so it's absolutely beautiful. Obviously the LEDs will be hiding it a little bit, but I think it's the best solution I have, so I can keep like the posters and the LEDs, you know what I mean? I'm gonna add some carton. Yesterday I did it, but I'm gonna do it all over again because my shotgun ended up falling, so I'm gonna push that down there. Get the shotgun right there. Something like that. So what we can do for that to stay there, so we want it right, actually we can move it a tiny bit, like one like there probably. So and that will be the last touch. So here you can see our streaming corner. So here is the Minecraft Diamond Sword and so on. And here's a closer look basically. So we have the posters here. And so that'll be our streaming background. Also you can see our posters on the door. They're still there. So that'll be the background of our studio or streaming corner, as you wanna call it. I call it my studio because I don't know, I'm spending all my time here, I'm working here, so it's my studio, you know what I mean? I don't know, I'm just calling it like that. So thank you so much for watching. Just please don't forget to check our Maxtor. The link will be down below in the description. As we mentioned in the start of the video, we'll have discounts until the 13th of October, 15% of everything. All of the designs are custom made by me, so hopefully you like them, and if you want to support me, make sure to get one. Send me a picture on Instagram if you want, I'll post it for you, and maybe you'll give it in one of our videos if we get many pictures. So onto the outro, have a nice day and peace out.
Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Also check the links for our social media below, our merch store, and also the latest deals of Logitech's new gear. If you can use the Amazon links on the description or just click them before you purchase something on Amazon, it will be really appreciated as we earn some commission out of it. See you in the next video.